The 2025 Ford Mustang GT is here, and it's more aggressive, powerful, and technologically advanced than ever before. Auto Igniters brings you an exclusive deep dive into this legendary muscle car, where raw power meets cutting-edge innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT packs a 5.0-liter V8 engine that roars with an impressive 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Ford has fine-tuned the Coyote engine for enhanced throttle response, better airflow, and improved fuel efficiency, ensuring that every rev delivers pure adrenaline. With an optional performance package, power output can jump even higher, making this Mustang an absolute beast on the road. Whether you're launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, this machine offers relentless acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 mph in just around 4 seconds. When it comes to speed and handling, the 2025 Mustang GT delivers an experience that few competitors can match. The improved chassis and refined suspension system provide superior cornering stability, ensuring that you feel connected to the road at all times. A 10-speed automatic transmission with lightning-fast shifts comes standard, while a 6-speed manual transmission is available for those who crave a more engaging driving experience. With an advanced rear-wheel drive system and Ford's MagneRide adaptive suspension, this Mustang sticks to the pavement with precision. The electronically controlled dampers adjust in real time to road conditions, offering both comfort on long drives and sharp handling when you need it. This means whether you're on city streets or taking on tight corners on a track, the 2025 Mustang GT keeps you in total control. Design-wise, the 2025 Mustang GT embodies pure aggression. Its bold front grille, sculpted hood, and aerodynamic enhancements make it look as fast as it feels. The signature tri-bar LED headlights and muscular fenders add to its commanding presence. The rear end features striking LED taillights and a quad-tip exhaust system that not only looks great but delivers an unmistakable growl every time you hit the throttle. And let's not forget about the active exhaust system, which allows you to adjust the sound from a subtle purr in quiet mode to a full-throttle roar in track mode. With multiple exterior color options, including the stunning metallic blue, the Mustang GT ensures you turn heads wherever you go. Inside, Ford has transformed the Mustang's cabin into a high-tech driver's paradise. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, ensuring you always have the information you need right in front of you. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Ford's Sync 4 software, providing seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice recognition system. The cabin features premium materials, from soft-touch leather seats to carbon fiber trim accents, giving it a sporty yet refined feel. And for those who love an immersive experience, an optional Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio whether you're cruising or pushing the limits on the track. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mustang GT is its advanced driver assist technology. Ford has equipped it with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it one of the safest muscle cars on the market. Track enthusiasts will love the integrated performance data recorder, allowing you to capture lap times and driving metrics to analyze and improve your performance. And for those looking to push their limits, the new drift mode adds an extra layer of excitement, making controlled slides easier than ever. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT isn't just about power and performance, it's also about accessibility. With a starting price of around $43,000, it remains one of the best value for money sports cars on the market. Fully loaded models with performance packages and premium interior upgrades can push the price beyond $55,000, but even at that range, the Mustang GT offers a level of performance and luxury that rivals vehicles twice its price. Ford continues to dominate the muscle car segment, proving that American performance cars are here to stay. With its thrilling power, advanced technology, and aggressive styling, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT is a true icon redefined. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone looking to experience raw V8 power for the first time, this car delivers in every aspect. Stay tuned to Auto Igniters for more in-depth reviews on the hottest cars of the future.